everybody. This is my old glasses. This is my old. I have 2 old glasses. So this is my new one. So let's go open it. I need to find where's the scissor. Just like water lens cleaner. We can throw that, and then here go this, and then my glasses is from by Guess. This is for like towel for the glasses. Ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na. Ito na yung new glasses ko. Balot pa siya sa tissue. Ouch. So, ito na po yung glasses ko. Sa loob po, parang tiger siya. Tapos, ito. So, let's try. Ito na. Ito na.